How to create Grok AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's jump right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all install Grok AI on your device. Go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon. Now type Grok AI. Now tap on Grok and click on install. Now after installing, simply tap on open. If you already have a Twitter account, simply tap on continue with Twitter or X, or simply tap on continue with Google. Now select your Google account. If you don't have one, simply tap on continue with email. Now select your Google account or email. Now wait for some time and tap on continue as sample and tap on continue. Now wait for some time and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.